I'm Sam Riesenfeld. I'm an assistant professor in the Pritzker School of Molecular Engineering and the Department of Medicine in the Biological Sciences Division at the University of Chicago. A biophysics student, grad student, in her first year, before her first year, came to me and said, I think it would be really cool to work with you and Alex Pearson, who's also a CRF YIA. And I was like, I don't really do cancer. I was focused on, mostly immune-related processes, like understanding the immune system, inflammation, and also the math and computer science behind using that data to understand them. So both developing methods and then applying them to understand biology. It was right before COVID, and I thought, well, I'll talk to anybody, right, at least once. And then I didn't meet Alex for a year. We were collaborating with our student for a whole year on Zoom, and I just thought there was really interesting work there. To be able to work with somebody who cares about patients, who has real knowledge of the biological processes, but also is trained in statistics and can talk to me, and then I'm bringing in all of this knowledge about molecular biology and how to use that kind of data, and he knows a lot about pathology. It just felt really synergistic. The project that we started thinking about was how we can combine data from different aspects of things that are happening in cancers. We have visual images of the tissue in pathology. We have molecular information about what genes are turned on and off, DNA information about mutations, but it's very hard to get a picture that incorporates all of that. And I mean, not a picture, but a model, say. And so we wanted to understand how we could combine that information and use them all together to try to make better predictions. Whether a patient has a specific subtype of cancer that might need to get treated differently, or whether there's certain features that really stand out because they're more targetable, for example, and they might motivate a new treatment. That was the whole initial part of the project. And then since that launched several other projects, some of which I'm still collaborating with Alex on. He's like my big brother, so my big cancer brother at least. And I've been working on cancer basically since the CRF started funding me. That without their funding, I might never have actually pursued cancer research.